Is your Apple CarPlay acting up in your BMW X7? Let's fix those connectivity glitches in just a few minutes. Statistically, most connection drops are software related and don't require a trip to the dealership. First, we need to perform a hard reset on your iDrive system. Hold the volume knob down for 30 seconds until the iDrive screen reboots to clear temporary glitches. If the reset fails, check your iPhone by toggling Bluetooth and forgetting the vehicle from your CarPlay menu. Don't overlook physical issues like lint in your charging port or a frayed USB cable causing signal interference. Try these DIY steps before heading to the shop, as many dealers simply perform the same reset you can do at home. As you can see, a simple system reboot resolves the vast majority of CarPlay connection complaints. Finally, check the BMW Connected Drive app to ensure your subscription is active and no remote updates are pending. Keep a high-quality cable and some compressed air in your glove box to troubleshoot connectivity issues on the go. Remember, software handshakes can take time, so give your car a moment to sync after starting the engine. If these steps didn't solve your CarPlay issues, it might be time to visit a BMW technician. Thanks for watching.